In this video, we will explore the 5 best e-bike conversion kits for 2026, focusing on performance, durability, and overall value for different types of riders. Whether you want more speed, better range, or an easy upgrade, this guide covers top options to consider. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. 1500-watt e-bike conversion kit. Powered by a robust 48-volt brushless gearless hub motor, this 1500 watts e-bike conversion kit delivers strong and consistent performance for both front and rear wheel setups. It reaches speeds between 45 and 50 kilometers per hour, supported by torque output ranging from 71 to 74.6 Newton meters, giving noticeable acceleration and hill climbing ability. The internal design includes 46 magnet poles with a 35H magnet height, ensuring smooth rotation and efficiency of at least 83% while maintaining low operational noise at around 55 decibels. The motor is pre-laced into a double-wall aluminum alloy rim, offering durability along with resistance to water and rust. Installation compatibility is flexible, with front opening size at 100 mm and rear between 135 and 142 mm. Multiple wheel sizes are supported, including 20, 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29-inch, and 700C, making it suitable for a wide range of bicycles. Control is managed through a KT brushless direct current controller paired with an LCD3 display that provides real-time riding data such as speed and battery status. The aluminum alloy controller casing features a grooved structure for better heat dissipation and circuit protection. Battery is not included, so users must ensure proper voltage matching before setup. Pros: powerful performance, wide compatibility. Cons: battery not included. Number 4. MTX Ebike Conversion Kit. Built around a high-performance, 72-volt brushless gearless rear hub motor, the MTX Ebike Conversion Kit is designed for riders who want extreme speed and power. With a rated output of 5,000 watts, this system delivers impressive acceleration and reaches speeds between 95 and 105 kilometers per hour, placing it in the high-performance category. Torque output ranges from 130 to 150 Newton meters, allowing strong hill climbing and quick throttle response. The kit is engineered for bicycles with a 150 mm rear dropout, and installation can be completed in about 1 hour with basic tools. Its gearless motor design reduces wear and enhances durability while maintaining efficiency above 80%. Noise levels stay controlled under 60 decibels, making the ride smoother and quieter than expected for this power level. It also performs reliably in temperatures from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius. An advanced 80-amp controller with a rated current of 40 ampere ensures stable power delivery. Featuring 18 MOSFETs, the controller supports consistent high current output while improving heat management and system protection. Additional features include waterproofing, overheat protection, and efficient heat dissipation for long-term use. The package includes the motor wheel, controller, throttle, pedal assist sensor, brake levers, wiring, and optional display. A compatible 72-volt lithium battery is required but not included. Pros: extreme power and speed. Cons: battery not included. Number 3. Bafang 750W Ebike Conversion Kit. Powered by the G900 rear hub motor, the Bafang 750-watt e-bike conversion kit delivers a balanced mix of performance and reliability for everyday riders. It provides 750 watt of nominal power with a peak output reaching 1300 watt, producing up to 80 Newton meters of torque. This allows speeds above 28 miles per hour while maintaining enough strength to climb slopes of up to 15 degrees with confidence. The brushless gear reduction design improves efficiency while reducing mechanical wear, supported by a hardened steel drivetrain for long-term durability. Noise levels remain below 55 decibels at moderate speeds, creating a smooth and quiet riding experience. The system is also laboratory tested for up to 3,000 hours of operation, adding reassurance for extended use. Waterproof connectors rated at IPEX 6 ensure consistent performance, even in wet weather conditions. A flexible tri-drive system allows riders to switch between full throttle mode, 9 levels of pedal assist, and walk assist for better control in tight spaces. Hall effect sensors and refined cadence detection help deliver smooth and responsive power output. Compatibility is another strong point, supporting rear dropouts from 135 to 142 millimeters and accommodating multiple wheel sizes from 20 to 29 inch, including 700 CE. The display integrates with the Ebike Go Plus app to provide real-time riding data. Pros: smooth performance and versatile modes. Cons: moderate power for advanced riders. Number 2. Bafang G62 Ebike Conversion Kit. Designed for fat tire and off-road setups. The Bafang G62 Ebike Conversion Kit uses a 750-watt rear hub motor built specifically for 20-inch and 26-inch snow and beach bikes. It delivers up to 80 Newton-meters of torque, providing steady traction on sand, snow, and uneven terrain. With an efficiency rating above 80% and noise levels under 55 decibels, the ride remains smooth and controlled even under load. The gear drive motor reaches up to 325 revolutions per minute and runs on a 48-volt system, offering a balanced mix of speed and torque. Weighing approximately 4.6 kilograms, it maintains a practical balance between strength and handling. The system performs reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for harsh outdoor environments. Durability is a key highlight, with an IP 65 rating that protects against dust and water exposure. It has also passed a 96-hour salt spray test and meets ROS and C certification standards, reinforcing its long-term reliability. Installation flexibility is strong, supporting rear dropout sizes from 135 millimeters up to 190 millimeters for fat bikes, along with disc brake compatibility and a 36-hole spoke design. The included controller features a gentle start mode, 25 ampere maximum current, and 12 MOSFETs for stable and responsive power delivery. A 12-month warranty adds further confidence for regular use. Pros: durable and ideal for fat tire bikes. Cons: limited to specific wheel sizes. Number 1. Bafang BBS2 and BBS2B. Built for central mounting, the Bafang BBES2 and BBS2B mid-drive e-bike conversion kit features a 750-watt motor running on a 48-volt system, delivering strong and efficient performance across various bike types. With torque output reaching up to 120 Newton-meters, it provides excellent climbing ability and supports speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour on a 27.5-inch setup. The compact M-series design allows for a clean and discreet installation while maintaining low noise during operation. This kit is compatible with a wide range of bicycles, including mountain, road, and folding models. It fits standard bottom brackets, measuring 68 to 73 millimeters in length, with an internal diameter of 34 to 36 millimeters, and a 100 millimeter option is available for specific builds. Installation is simplified with clear instructions and video support, making it accessible even for first-time users with basic tools. Riders can choose between 3 modes, including full electric, pedal assist, and traditional cycling, offering flexibility for commuting or exercise. Customization options include different chain wheel sizes, such as 36, 42, or 44 teeth, along with brake lever or sensor configurations. Multiple LCD displays provide real-time riding data, including speed, distance, and battery level. The system also supports an optional gear shift sensor for smoother transitions, while efficient power transfer and durable construction ensure long-term reliability. Pros: high torque and versatile compatibility. Cons: installation requires careful setup. There you have it, the 5 best Ebike conversion kits for 2026, each offering unique strengths depending on your riding style and needs. From powerful high-speed setups to efficient everyday solutions, there is something here for everyone. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links.